साइंस क्वेश्चन बैंक चैप्टर 9 आ गया है। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आप सभी ने 1 to 8 चैप्टर तक नहीं देखे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर उसको देख लें। पहले जी 9 चैप्टर देखें। देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द करेक्ट। द पोजिशन टू ए चेंज इन इट्स स्टेट्स ऑफ मोशन बाय एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड आंसर इनर्शिया। सेकेंड, द यूनिट ऑफ फोर्सेज आंसर न्यूटन। Third, two objects of unequal mass are moving with the same momentum whose velocity will be greater, light object. Fourth, an object of mass m whose velocity is v, what will be its momentum? Answer mu. To the correct complete up flap. वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। फर्स्ट फ्लैप, action and process phases act in the direction of answer opposite. Second, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to answer force. Third, the velocity of a moving object in the absence of an external force remains answer low. Fourth, the property of an object to reset a change in its state of motion is called answer inertia. Fifth, the dash of an object is the measure of its inertia answer mass. Fill up complete question answer. Question first. A truck starts rolling down a hill from rest at a constant velocity. It's cover a distance of 400 meters in 20 seconds. Find its acceleration if its mass is 7 ton. Then calculate the force on it. 1 ton is equal to 100 kg. Answer. Given distance covered by the truck 40 meters, time taken to cover the distance is equal to 20 seconds. Initial velocity of the truck 0. We know that s is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 a2 square. 400 is equal to 0 into 20 plus 1 upon 2 acceleration into 400. A is equal to 2 meter per second square. Now force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force acting on truck 7000 into 2 is equal to 14,000 Newton. Answer. Question second. When we apply a force on a loaded object but the object remains at rest, then who balance the force exerted by us? Explain with the help of the diagram. Answer. When we push or pull a heavy object applying force and the object remains at rest, in this case the force exerted by us is balanced by the force of fractional. ये डायग्राम है नीचे, फ्रैक्शनल फोर्स, अप्लाइड फोर्स एंड नॉर्मल फोर्स। आंसर सेकंड कंप्लीट। और आप देख लेना, ये डायग्राम भी कर लेना। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आप सभी ने 1 to 8 चैप्टर तक क्वेश्चन बैंक के सॉल्यूशन नहीं देखे हैं तो ऑल इन वन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और फुल वीडियो वॉच करें। क्वेश्चन थर्ड, राइट न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन एंड ड्राइव द फॉर्मूला F is equal to ma. आंसर. Newton's second law of motion states that the force exerted by a body is directly proportional to the rate of change of its momentum for a body of mass m whose velocity change from u to v in the time t when force F is applied. F change in momentum upon time, F mv minus mu upon time, F mv minus u upon t, F ma F kma bracket, therefore a is equal to v minus u upon t. लास्ट वाला राइट कर लेना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन फोर्थ, when a moving bus stops suddenly, you run forward and when it starts moving from rest you go backwards. By. Answer. When a moving bus brakes to a stop, our feet come to rest with the bus but upper part of our body continues to move forward on account of inertia of motion. That is why we tend to fall in the forward direction. However, when the bus accelerates from rest, lower part of our body moves with the bus. The upper part of the body tries to maintain itself at rest on account of inertia of rest. Therefore, we tend to fall backwards. Answer. 4 complete. And next question 5. Fifth, which of the following has more inertia? First, a rubber ball and a stone of the same size. Answer, an object that has more mass also has greater inertia. First point का answer. Hence the inertia of the stone will be more. Second, one cycle and one train. Answer, hence the inertia of the train will be more. Third, 5 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Hence the inertia of the 5 rupee coin will be more. Fourth, 1 kg piece of iron or 1 kg piece of wood. Answer, fourth point. Hence the inertia of the 1 kg piece of iron will be more. Answer 5 complete. And next question 6. Question 6. Why does a cricket player pull his hands backwards while catching the ball? Explain the reason. Answer, a cricketer pulls his hands back while catching a fast moving cricket ball because this increases the time of catch. This is increase in the time taken to bring about a given change in momentum. Hence, rate of change of momentum decrease, thus a small force is exerted on the hands by the ball. Answer 6th complete. And next question 7. 7. What will require more force and acceleration? An object of mass 2 kg at the rate of 5 ms minus 2, or an acceleration an object of mass 4 kg at the rate of 2 meter per second square. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 Newton. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 Newton. Force of 1 is more, so 1 will be require a greater force. Answer 7 complete. And next question 8. According to the third law of motion, when we push on an object, the object pushes back on us with an equal and opposite force. If the object is a massive truck parked along the roadside, it will probably not move. A student justifies this by solutioning that the two opposite and equal forces cancel each other. Comment on this logic and explain why the truck does not move. Answer, according to the third law of motion, when we push an object, the object pushes us back with an equal and opposite force. These two forces are called as action-reaction pair. The student justification is incorrect since action and reaction always operate on different bodies and hence cannot cancel each other. When two equal and opposite forces act on the same body, they cancel each other. आंसर 8 कंप्लीट. एंड वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. ऑल फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अगर आप सभी ने 1 to 8 चैप्टर फुल सॉल्यूशन नहीं देखा है तो ऑल इन वन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ऑल वीडियोस देखें.